Chapter 3. How to calculate net worth in 10 minutes. Most people think calculating net worth is complicated, but the truth? You can do it in less than 10 minutes. Step 1. Write down everything you own. Cash, savings, gold, property, stocks, PF, all of it. Step 2. Write down everything you owe. Loans, credit card bills, EMIs, unpaid taxes. Step 3. Subtract liabilities from assets. That's it. The number is your net worth. Ramesh owns a flat worth 30 lakh, savings worth 10 lakh, but he has a home loan of 20 lakh and a car loan of 5 lakhs. His net worth is 15 lakh. The mistake? People forget small dues, credit cards, personal loans, every money borrowed from relatives. These count too. To calculate net worth correctly, always use today's value of assets. Always include every liability, no matter how small, and update regularly. Don't have time? Here's a hack. Start with your biggest 2 assets and 2 liabilities. You'll already know 80% of your net worth. You can do all this on paper or Excel, or you can open FOLO and get your net worth calculated instantly. Tips to remember. 1. Net worth is equals to assets minus liabilities. 2. Use today's value, not old prices. 3. Update your net worth regularly.